so good at it. He don't need any help.
Really? Let's see.
See? That was perfect. The most graceful crash I've ever seen.
No, I think I kind of do need help. It won't take long.
I wish I could help too, but I've already made some important plans.
More important than bike ballet? I find that hard to believe. Oh, Dasher.
Hey guys, ready to roll, little dude cousin? Or do you have something else to do?
Nope, nothing else. I'm super ready. This is going to be the coolest day ever. What do you want to do first? Jump stunts, bubble fight, pizza?
Bike ballet first, then all that other stuff. I didn't know we had so much planned for today. This is going to be great.
Sorry, Toot, but I kind of planned this day just for me and Dasher.
You mean whatever you guys do is cool, but what I want to do isn't?
Exactly. I knew you'd understand.
All right then, let's zoom out. Check you later, Toot.
I'll help you practice your moves when I'm back. Promise.
But I'm Toot the Cool, right?
Now give the ramp a whirl. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah!
That's the way. Now check this out. Way-oh. Yeah.
Whoa! Awesome! Could he show me how to do those?
And me? Just think how much cooler they'll be when I'm doing them.
Actually, these stunts are a Zoom family secret. Zooms only.
Hey, Ricky, it's your turn.
Gotta go!
Come on, Ricky. Yeah. Together. Let's go.
Hey, my skills are mad too. Or at least they're a little miffed. We've been left out.
Yeah. Woohoo.
Go! They're still playing. Do you think Ricky forgot about us? Ricky would never forget his best friends. Scootio, DJ, and, the other one. Loop? Right, Loop. Guess Ricky's just too cool to hang out with us anymore.
You guys too? Wow, I've got something super fun we can do without Ricky.
Ooh, is it a party?
No, not a party. But there will be dancing.
Close enough. Yeah! Rev on!
Count us in, Toot. Yes!
Coconut's my favourite.
Mine too.
I thought you got banana.
I did, but coconut's definitely way cooler. So, Dasher, what should we do after we fuel up? Slide? Jump? Do stoppies?
We could just hang.
Hanging is cool. I'm cool with hanging. Or how about a race to Windshield Point? That's cool and fast.
Sure. Who should we race against?
You mean not just you and me?
Yeah, races are way better with a bunch of bikes.
I bet my friends would race us. The Bike Buddies versus the Ricky Dashers. The Dasher Rickies. The Dashy Rickers. That's us.
That sounds awesome, little dude, cuz.
They're gonna love racing us. We're so cool. Whoa!
Oh, hey, Ricky. How do you like my dance club? Okay, guys, let's take it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and rev. 2, 3, 4, and leap. 2, 3, 4. Back up. 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Dance, skip Toot Toot! What do you think? We call ourselves Toot and the Wheelies! I thought of the name.
Wow! Cool!
Awesome! Dudes and dudettes.
You did this all without me!
We sure did. Pretty cool, huh?
You guys are the coolest.
Huh? Well, Dasher and I were wondering if you guys wanted to race us to Windshield Point. Come on, it'll be so cool.
Sorry, Ricky. We're kinda in the middle of something.
Yes! Look how light on my wheels I am! I love bike ballet. Okay, well, have fun then. Dasher and I have our own cool stuff to do anyway. Right, dude cousin?
You bet, cousin dude. Let's ride.
I'm ahead now.
But not for long.
See, Dasher, I'm winning. Dasher!
Gotta dash, little dude, cuz I almost forgot I have a race with Ashley Ace.
Ashley Ace, the speedster. Whoa, so cool. Let's go.
Sorry, Ricky, but in this kind of race, there's no third place. It's just Ashley and me.
Oh, I can't come.
We'll race later, though, okay? See you later, guys.
I guess I'll just go to Toot's dance club then. Except it seems like they don't need me there. I'll just race myself to Windshield Point. Ricky versus Ricky! And it's Ricky in the lead, followed by Ricky. Ricky's catching up. I bet everyone else wishes they were here. This is so cool! Whoa! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! I'm okay, but how do I get out of here? Uh-oh! Grappling hook, go! Can't make it! I better call for help.
What's that? Fireworks? Oh, no! I forgot a holiday again!
Huh? I don't think those are fireworks. Isn't that Ricky's emergency flare? He needs us!
Bike buddies, wheel it in! Forget bike buddies! Toot and the Wheelies to the rescue! Ricky!
Are you okay?
We came as soon as we saw your signal.
Whoa! I'm so glad to see you guys. Don't worry, I'll pull you up. Just throw me a line. Thanks, guys. But my back wheel's locked. I can't move.
Scootbox, go and fix it.
Grappling hook, go! Again! Loopy boosters, go!
Fantastic! Yeah, we rescued Ricky. Good thing the Zooms are amazing in emergency situations. Especially me.
You sure are, Toot. What would I do without you?
So, Ricky dude, does this mean you're not too cool for us anymore?
You guys might be too cool for me. But do you think maybe I could be one of the wheelies?
Yeah! 4 wheelies are better than, whatever number we have now. I don't know. Show us your moves.
Look at this. So what do you say, Toot?
competition.
Yo, Ricky, I'm back. You ready to finish that race? I have a better idea. Maybe you can join the wheelies too.
Oh, boy. We're going to need a bigger dance club. Places, everybody. Downhill dance. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! This fair is zoom-tastic! Look! So much to do! Overload! Excitement overload!
Can you see? There are balloons.
Balloons?
Where?
Balloons! I want a blue one and an orange one and one with pink polka dots!
Sorry? Only one balloon each. We don't want to run out.
That's code 101. Make sure there's fun for everyone.
I have to choose just one? Whoa! You guys might have to go on without me. This is going to take a while.
Was he what? Code 1010. There's a big traffic jam in town.
I guess everyone wants to come to the fair.
Yes, but that puts me in a jam. I'm supposed to be here, helping Buster sell balloons and watching over the fair.
We can do those things. Fair deputies reporting for duty.
Well, do you promise to make sure everyone follows the fairground rules?
Yes, Officer Bunker, sir!
Very well then. You are officially on duty. DJ, Loop, you can help Buster keep an eye on the balloon stand.
I'll keep an eye on Loop too.
Very good. Scootio, Ricky, you are on patrol. Just keep the rules with you and make sure they are followed.
Downloading the rules on my tablet now.
Remember, the rules keep everything running smoothly so everyone has a good time. Because that's the most important thing of all.
Don't worry, Officer Bunker. We've got this.
Okay, deputies, you're in charge till I get back.
Fun balloon! Get your fun balloon here! But only one each. You have to choose. I know it's hard. Ready to roll out, Co-Deputy?
Yep, we're good to go.
Hey, no cutting. I was here first. I was here first. No, I was.
Hey, Deputy Ricky here. Don't worry, there's a rule about this. Probably, right?
Yep, code 61. Everyone needs to line up single file for the rides.
Did you hear that? Everyone line up, please. Hello?
Lucky these deputies have deputies.
Go!
Single file!
Great job! Oh, yeah! 3 in a row. Can I do 4?
Can you do 4? When do I get to do 1? It's my turn.
Easy, guys. The fair deputies will settle this. The fair should always be fair. Scootio?
According to the fairground rules, everyone gets only one turn at a time.
Yeah, but you could change the rules a little for your favourite cousin. Right, dude? Well, cousin dude, I'd like to, but, rules are kind of rules. That's why they call them that. That's no fun. I hope we're not being too strict.
And I hope the treat stand isn't out of fried pickles. Come on!
One balloon each. Just
Just one. I wish I could give out more, but that's the rule. You have to choose, like Luke.
Green! No! Yellow! There's a purple one! I don't think he'll ever make up his mind.
Whoa!
Ah.
Sweets and treats.
Hello, Ricky and Scootio. Toot, what can I get for you?
3 caramel blasters! Oh, and don't hold back in the gooey. Ooh, and a cherry smoothie.
And I'll have a fried pickle and a corn dog and...
Hold on, Ricky. There's just one little problem. Look at this rule.
Only one treat each.
Oh. But then how can I get gooey and smoothie? They go together. You're ruining all the fun.
But it's not my fault. It's the rule.
And rules are no fun. Wait in line. One turn at a time. Don't eat lots of treats. What's next? Only one balloon each?
Yeah. Choosing is impossible. Oh, how I tried.
We're here to have fun. And your rules aren't letting us.
Yay!
Officer Bunker did say the most important thing was for everyone to have a good time.
So, does that mean I can have more than one balloon?
They're only balloons, right? What's one more going to do?
I guess it can't do any harm.
Everyone, as one of your funfair deputies, I say we can have more than one balloon if we want to.
Maybe even more than one. And can we have more than one treat?
And we can keep taking turns until we break a record. Done, done, and done. In fact, the only rule is fun for everyone. Hey, being a deputy isn't so hard. Everyone's happy.
Yeah, like that.
Maybe everyone's too happy.
Oh. Deputies, there are no more treats. It's a code red treat emergency. Oh, I never thought there was such a thing as too many caramel plasters. But there is. I didn't even get to try one. Maybe that one treat each rule kind of makes sense.
Don't hog the ball.
But it's still
Yeah, without the rules, everything's going bonkers.
Look, guys! Every colour! I don't need to choose! No, but you need to land! Oh, don't worry! Landing is easy! Loopy boosters! Oh, yeah! I forgot! Boosters make me go up!
Don't worry, we'll get you down.
But how?
That's how. We've just got to pop those balloons, one at a time.
Stop, balloons! I was nice to you, so why are you being so mean to me?
Hang on, Luke!
All right, guys, let's zoom out and keep on popping. Sorry. What? We'll get you, Luke. Hang on.
Clear the way! Officer coming through. Why is everyone looking up? So many balloons!
Did you see the purple one? There's a purple one!
How did this happen?
We may have given him more than one balloon.
That's not just more than one. That's more than one.
That's what I said!
Don't worry. Deputy Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Wait for him. Ready, aim, and grappling hook. Go!
Ricky's got him!
He did it! Yay!
Thanks, Ricky. Any higher, and I'd have been the first spike in space.
I'm sorry, Balloons. I never meant for it to end this way.
I thought bending the rules would make the fair more fun, but boy was I wrong.
That's it. Keep in line.
Only one treat each.
One per customer. Everybody gets one.
I hope we've all learned that rules are there for a reason. Why, this big bunch of balloons may look like innocent fun, but without rules, you can sure get carried away.
Hey, Grandad. Only one balloon each, remember?
Don't worry, I got ya.
Whoa! Miles, Bunker.
Who will save the day when no other bike can? Who will defeat the villain and look cool doing it?
Still awesome, that's who.
Still awesome, that's who.
That's my line.
Oh, right. Sorry. But wait! What's this? Watch out, Steel, it's a ninja bike!
Help! Still awesome! Help me!
Can Steel defeat this mean bad guy ninja and save the little helpless bike?
I'm not helpless or little.
Toot, you're just pretending to be helpless. This isn't for real. It's a rehearsal.
Oh, right. Ah! Still awesome! Help me! I'm helpless! Wow, I'm good.
Still awesome to the rescue! Scootio, action lights.
Got it.
You'll never get past me, Still Awesome. I'm the bad guy. We almost always win.
You didn't count on my wheel whirlwind ninja bike.
Your whirlwind is too strong. I'm defeated.
It's okay. I'm fine.
Steel to the rescue!
He did it! Once again, Steel Awesome saves the day.
That was a revving rehearsal. Bike buddies and Toot, wheel it in!
Time's up. We've got to get to school for moto ball. Zoom out.
Please gonna steal the show at Steelfest tonight. Every Steel Awesome fan in town will be there.
Ricky, you're the coolest Steel Awesome.
Thanks. Sometimes I think you secretly are Steel Awesome. Are you? You can tell me. What's happening? Why am I wobbling? Wobbly things wobble, but I don't. And since when am I squeaky? Steel Awesome doesn't wobble or squeak.
You okay, Ricky?
Yeah, I'm good. I'll catch up. It doesn't happen when I go this way. But it does when I go this way.
What's going on, Ricky?
It's nothing. Let's get to school.
Huh? Where are you going? School is that way.
Yeah, but this way's more fun. Why not try something new? Oh, did I forget the way to school again? I'm pretty sure it was that way.
Hurry, we're going to be late.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, Zoom-tastic. Come on, Wheel. Stop squeaking. It's so embarrassing. Oh. Sometimes you just gotta dance.
Slow down, this isn't a race. All right, DJ, you can start. Everybody get ready to dodge.
Missed me!
Didn't get me. Whoa. I hit Ricky. I've never hit Ricky before. Ricky, I'm sorry. I didn't know that was even possible.
It's okay. Good shot, DJ. Does anybody else think Ricky's acting a little weird?
No, I think he's acting a lot weird. Maybe he's just nervous about the Steel Fest tonight.
I can't wobble for Steel Fest. Steel Awesome doesn't wobble. Maxwell? Maxwell, you in there? I need a repair. Fast. Oh, hi, Blip.
Hey, Ricky. Maxwell's not here. I think he's at Steelfest. Everybody's at Steelfest.
Really?
I was thinking about not going because I always somehow crash into the big tree at the adventure park. Every time. It's pretty embarrassing. But then I thought, I can't miss Steelfest. I'll see you there. Signpost, still going.
It's just a wobble. What's so bad about a wobble? Just pretend it's not there.
This is the last call for all Steelfest live show performers. Please make your way backstage.
Where's Ricky?
He should be here.
What if he doesn't show up? He'll be here. Ricky wouldn't miss this.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our next live Steel Awesome Action Extravaganza comes from Ricky Zoom and the Bike Buddies! This performance is called Steel Awesome awesomely takes on the bad guy ninja bike and wins! Bit of a spoiler in the title there. Anyway, here they are!
Help! I'm helpless! I'm trapped on this ledge! They made me say that.
You'll never get down because of me, the bad guy ninja bike.
Steel Awesome, help me, please!
Who will save the day? Who will defeat the villain and look cool doing it?
Definitely not Steel Awesome because he isn't here.
I'll shine my light.
What do we do now?
Ricky, aren't you supposed to be Steel Awesome?
Yeah, but I can't. My front wheel's all wobbly. Everybody might laugh at me.
Is that really so bad? Your friends need you out there.
Ricky!
Squeak awesome! Steel awesome to the rescue! You'll never get past me, Steel Awesome! I am the bad guy! You didn't count on my wheel whirlwind ninja bike. Your wheel whirlwind is too strong, I guess. I am defeated for some reason. I'm fine.
Oh no, Toot! Dear. Wow! Now I really am helpless. Help me, Ricky!
Toot! Time to zoom for real! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Hang on!
Hurry up, Ricky!
I've got you, Toot. Here we go. Hold on!
You're the best, Ricky.
Awesome! Incredible! Steel Awesome did it!
Ricky, your performance was as brave as Steel Awesome's best rescue scenes, and really funny too.
Way to go, Ricky. That was fun. How does that keep happening?
Thanks, everyone.
We did!
Next time you're in trouble, just call for Squeak Awesome.
That was so fun!
Best Steel Best ever!
Ricky, can you teach me to wobble like that?
How is this? Sorry, Toot. Is the wobbling making it hard to ride?
No! It's fun! Do you really have to get it fixed?
I can keep it until tomorrow.
Good! Wobble more until then!
Come on, guys! Fantastic! Off the brakes and in the race! Let's do 3 more laps even faster! Zoom-tastic!
Last one to do 3 laps is
Good, Peters. Nice, Peters. Work with me. We're all friends. No, no, no.
He needs help!
I got him!
Oh. They're empty.
Blip, did you forget to put the pizzas in the boxes again?
No, I'm just practicing. And also, yes, I forgot.
Practising for what?
The Motorball Championship is on TV today. Everyone orders pizzas for the Motorball Championship. It's the perfect chance to break the record.
What record?
Most pizzas delivered in one day without a single one late. It's a feat of extreme speed and extreme skill and extreme, pizza.
Whoa! Who holds the record?
Is that Dad?
Yep, that's me. And if anyone's gonna break my record, I always hoped it would be you, Blip. Pizza me, Papa Pizza! Hey up, pizza! Hey, hey! Ooh. Just let your wheels take the bumps and the pizzas balance themselves.
I don't think I'll ever be as good as you, Dad.
Sure you will, Blip. Even I wasn't good right away. It just takes practice. The more you do it, the better you get.
Hey, we can help you practice.
Really? You do that?
Leave it to us. Bike buddies?
Yeah!
Wheel it in!
Yes, wheel it in. I am totally ready.
Do you have your pizzas?
Oh, I am not ready. I am totally ready.
Your first pizza is going to 17 Sparkplug Street.
Where's that? No, don't tell me. I'll figure it out. Sparkplug Street, 17. 17.
It's your house.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I know a shortcut. On second thought, I'm taking the road. What do I do now?
Deliver the pizza.
But I live here.
It's for practice.
Pizza delivery, not for real, for practice.
Pizza, you say?
Loop?
Loop? Who is Loop? My name is Mr. Hungry. Where is the cheese pizza that I ordered for my hungriness?
Which one is it?
Now my pizza is late. I don't want cold pizza.
Mr. Hungry is Mr. Grumpy.
Here. Watch me. Here you go, Mr. Hungry. Just what you ordered.
I'll take it, I guess.
Sorry, Blip. I'm just pretending that Mr. Hungry is grumpy. Probably because his moustache is kind of itchy. It's okay, Blip. That was just the first one. Come on, there are more.
Here they come.
If you're going to break your dad's record, you've got to be ready for anything.
I'm doing it! I'm doing it!
Oh, excuse me. I'm just helping my tiny baby truck across the road.
Baby want ice cream! I can't do it! They're in my way!
Here, watch. Like this. Got it?
No, not even a little.
You'll get better at it. You're practicing. Now come on, there's one more. You're supposed to deliver it to a house with a blue mailbox. But something's wrong.
This is the address, but there are no blue mailboxes. How can I deliver a pizza to nowhere?
Pizza delivery.
But the mailbox isn't blue.
Isn't it?
I didn't even see that.
And you're done. You're gonna win for sure. What's wrong? You delivered all the pizzas.
No, I didn't. You delivered them.
Oh, well, sort of.
I have to get back to work.
But the more you do it, the better you... Except I didn't let you do it at all.
Oh, Blip.
Look!
It's time for the Motorball Championship playoffs.
It's starting! Come on!
Blip, the Motorball Championship is starting.
It doesn't matter. I'm never going to deliver enough pizzas to break Dad's record.
No! You can't give up now. Where's your first delivery?
Maxwell's service station.
Let's go! Here you are. Now hurry!
I'm never going to break the record.
Well, you're not going to break it if you don't try. Pizza delivery.
My pizza?
I know. It's late.
In all my years of ordering pizzas, I don't think I've ever had one delivered so fast. Good job, Blip.
That went perfectly. Bike buddies, I've got pizzas to deliver. Who's with me?
Bike buddies and Blip, go!
Ricky, pizza me.
You're almost done. You just need to go to... Uh-oh. It's all the way across town. I don't think the roads are going to work this time.
Off-road?
It's the quickest way. You're a scrambler bike, Blip. You can do this in your sleep. Remember what your dad said. Let your wheels take the bumps and the pizzas balance themselves.
Ready now. Good pizzas, nice pizzas. There's no reason to fall.
I got 'em. Wait, no. The more you do it, the better you get. It's all you, Blip.
I'm doing it. Do you see me, Ricky? I'm doing it.
Yeah.
About time you guys showed up. Guess who just broke the record?
Zoom-tastic!
What do you think?
You really did it, Blip. A new pizza delivery record.
Oh, I knew you could. Like father, like son.
Well, I did have a little help from the bike buddies.
Couldn't they have got a better picture?
Oh, that's just my picture face. Woo!
Good going, Big